Good day, ma'am. I'm Aldrin Pitalon Jr. and I will be reporting the craftsmanship, plaster of Paris, and freestanding. Craftsmanship. It is a skill which one uses tools and materials in producing art. Craftsmanship is the skill of artistry and care that goes into making something, often by hand. It can also refer to the quality of something that has been made with skill. Here are the examples: jewelry, lamps, wood carving, tablecloths, child toys, and many more. Next is plaster of Paris. Plaster of Paris is an excellent white powder which sets hard, blended in the water. Plaster of Paris, a quick-setting gypsum plaster consisting of a white powder which hardens when moistened and allowed to dry. Known for its ancient times, plaster of Paris is also called because of preparation from the abundant gypsum found near Paris. And lastly is freestanding. Freestanding refers to a method when a sculpture is intended to view from all sides. Freestanding is that means something that's standing alone without being attached or supported by anything else. For example, when you might describe a bookshelf, sculpture, or garage as a freestanding. And that's all. And I'm passing it to Otor, the next reporter.